Hello, welcome to Archer's Playhouse. As you can see here, I have a brand new house, and this is my refrigerator review for Ryan's World. As you can see here, I'm going to click this button, and I have this mystery prize in this. So, let's see.
Do you need to ask an adult for help to open things?
Nah, I can. So, I need an adult to open this.
All right. There you go.
What's your first prize?
First prize from the refrigerator.
Is going to be... Oh, this is kind of hard to open. Pet Combo Panda.
Look at that.
And he's holding a little ice cream in his hand.
Nice.
So let's see what the next one's gonna happen. Okay, let's see.
Those are business. What's
Yay!
inside?
Open it, Dad, because I'm not very good at opening. My dad has to open it.
All right. There you go.
So let's see what's gonna be in here. Gus, the gummy gator, and he's holding a nice popsicle in his hand.
Ta-da.
And time for
Show us the inside. Oh, no, more ice cubes. Hey.
Marley. Go outside. Get.
side viewers. My dog just peed the floor. Well, that's okay. Let's see what's in it. Wait. So, YouTube filming this has to do it. Thanks. So let's see what's inside. I'm not sure. I can get this something good. Just gonna. It's really hard to open when it's like a tiny hole.
Under the sink? Under the sink? On the left?
Somebody help me! I can't get it out.
You're getting it.
Oh, I already know who it is. It's Alpha Alexa.
Who?
Alpha Alexa. You know that pink kitty from the video? See? Alpha Alexa.
All right.
If you never heard of Alpha Alexa, good feels. This is what he looks like. And he's holding a little thing of Dreamscapes ice cream.
All right. Show us what's inside the refrigerator now.
Sure. No. So doors.
Open up both doors, bud.
So there's supposed to be a mystery box here. Bob, you forget the mystery box?
No, I unboxed the mystery box. That's the contents right there.
Yeah. So this is the fruit snacks. It has a bunch of prizes in it. It's Biggables. I don't know what.
That looks like putty.
It's putty. It is putty. So let's open it.
Well, let's see what's in the pickle jar too.
Okay. See what's in the pickle. Let's go squish. Okay, now. What's in the jar? It's Ryan! He popped out like a weasel. I had to make him pop out like a weasel again. I'll make him pop like a weasel again. Okay?
Okay.
You want to see that again?
Yes.
Okay, I can show you again. There was confetti falling. It was like a shooting up riot popping out of the universe. Oh my god. It's really hard to close this thing to use that to get me 3 likes.
See, you have butter and eggs in there. Is there stuff in those?
Guys, I guess I could just leave it up and dry it. Dry was in the refrigerator. And this one. So this is the bag. Let's open this bag. It's already opened, but there's instructions in here and lots of Legos. I think you can build something with these. Bob, what are we building?
I don't know. Let's open the other stuff first. See all the cool things inside.
Yeah.
You got butter and eggs.
Oh, cool. Let's open the butter and see what's inside it. Let's see what's inside butter.
Is the butter made of putty?
I don't think so. Maybe it's sand because it looks like sand. Open it up and see. It could be sand. Do it. What? What is this? Hard rock. What even is this? It's so hard. It wasn't even for.
I don't know. I think it's putty. You can shape it into clay and stuff, like Play-Doh.
Well, how do you get it out?
Is there anything inside the eggs?
Or check if there's anything inside them. Or check. But tiny surprise that. Let's open it. Adults for safety. See, here the eggs has nothing in it and it cracked. I got a little drink. Let's see if I can scrape up butter. Okay. Oh, whoa. Where's there was nothing though. Let's see what else is gonna be in the egg. It's gonna crack this one open. He's playing music.
It's okay.
What?
It's not very loud.
Sorry to interrupt you, YouTubers. I was scared he was playing music and gonna interrupt it so you couldn't hear me. So, the adults, are you doing the part?
Mm-hmm.
So viewers, it's gonna be a minute. So we gotta.
Oh, I didn't make the hole big enough.
I can't wait to see what's in this scoop. Let's see.
A tiny popsicle.
Ew, I think it's a scrapable stuff.
Come on, bud.
It won't scrape the stuff up. It won't scrape it up.
See what's in the other 2 eggs.
Ooh. Okay. It's gonna be a bunch of food. I didn't know my mom's filming this.
Yeah.
So we got this open, pizza. Got pizza open. So,
One more egg.
one more egg and see what it is. I hope it's the butter to pick her up. Oh, Mama, open it. It's just the egg. I like eggshells because they're really cracked up. Next.
Here you go. A little pineapple drink.
Oh, we got a pineapple drink.
All right, Archer.
See if we can scrape it up.
This was the Ryan's World fridge.
But there's one more part, two more parts. So let's open it. Next, this part. So I'm gonna try cutting out the butter. Okay, awesome fans. This won't work. This is just harder. By doing this wrong.
We'll figure it out. Tell everybody to like and subscribe. And
Like and subscribe and hit the notification and click the bell for more awesome videos.
And then say thanks and bye.
And thanks, but we're doing another one more review. Everybody.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. But we're not getting started yet. We just got one more thing to show you. Awesome views. It is a combo panda sticker. But
Let us see the sticker.
we have these, all these stickers.
I can't see them. I see the back of them. Oh, wow. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye.